Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how can we use JotForm as a complete beginner. This platform provides us the opportunity to create online forms. You need to know about JotForm that this platform provides us the opportunity to integrate with different apps. We have a lot of CRM systems, storage systems, payment systems, and also email marketing stuff. Also, we can easily use a lot of templates provided by JotForm, and we can easily use their free plan, so it's available for free. But of course, if you want to create a lot of different forms, a lot of different features you want to use, they provide us the opportunity to discover their paid plans. We'll talk about them a little bit later. So firstly, you'll have to create an account, and if you are new to this platform, you can easily continue with Gmail or Facebook. In my case, I just simply created an account with my Gmail, and here we are on our dashboard. As you can see, this is quite an easy interface here. In the left side, we can find our forms. We can easily create folder to organize them if you have a lot of different forms. We can also create our teams, find shared forms, assign forms, drafts if you want to, for example, just pause your work with some form and after that you want to continue. Also, we can see favorites, archived, and trash. So if we'll delete our form, it will be stored for maybe a month in our trash bucket, so we'll be able to find it back. In the top of the screen, we have a couple of options with like My Forms, where we are now templates, where we can find a bunch of different templates. We'll discover them in the next step. Integrations with PayPal, Slack, MailChimp, other CRM platforms, storage platforms, payments, and so on. As you can see, we can use Square, Stripe, PayPal, PaySafe, and Authorize.net. Also, we have a couple of products by JotForm, support area with like frequently asked questions, and so on. And also we can discover pricing. But let's create a form, by the way. So in order to do it, we need to click on Create Form in the left top corner. This is for what this platform was created, and here we have a couple of options. We can start from scratch, use template, import form, or create signable document. In my case, I recommend you to use their template. They have 10+ different forms pre-made as for us, for different categories, for different things, for different purposes, and all we need to do is just simply find the most suitable one as for us. So here we have a couple of instruments we can use. Firstly, we can sort them by popular, trend, or recent. Format layout like classic or card. Card is just a simple one question form where people need to fill only one field inside of the form. I recommend you to use classic, but if you want, of course, you can use a card. And also, if you'll scroll down for a little, in the left side, we can find a number of different types of different forms, ordered forms, registered forms, and so on, payout, application, file upload, booking forms, and so on. Also, we can find like industries, professions, languages, and we can find our template area. Let's say that we want to create like order forms, and basically we can click on it and we'll be able to find some additional toggle menu to make it easier to set up our like form. So I'm going to choose t-shirt ordered form. Why not? So here we can find a lot of different forms, and you need to know that so we can easily use these forms completely without paying, so we don't have to pay. But if you want to use a lot of forms at the same time, you'll have to upgrade your plan. So let's say that they want to use this form here, which is like a pretty easy to understand. We only have like this t-shirt here. We can fill the name of the student, teacher, and we'll print this thing right up here. Nothing hard, and all we need to do is just simply click on use this template to start editing, and if we'll click, in a few seconds we'll come to the next page with our editor. where we can easily interact with different stuff. So firstly, we can add our logo in the top of the screen. We can click on add logo, and after that we'll be able to upload our file or use it from a pre-uploaded images. Let's say that I want to use this one here. As you can see, it was automatically added to our form. If we scroll down for a little, we can find our current form, and we have a bunch of different objects. In order to interact with them, for example, if you want to delete some of them, we can just simply click and delete. So basically, nothing hard, just simply click on the necessary area and you'll be able to find two icons, settings and remove option. If you click on properties, like our settings, we'll be able to find this right side menu where we can easily find general things like field label, student name, label alignment, top, required or not required, so it depends on the type of field you want to add, and also some other things. And every single element has its own properties, so we can easily click on this stuff here. We have a heading text, subheading text, heading size, text alignment, and so on. So as you can see, navigation here is quite easy and like the same as for every single online thing. We can also add or remove elements. Let's say we want to delete this thing here, we can click on it and click on remove, and this block was automatically removed, as you can see. Also, we can delete this divider here. Let's click on delete. Now it looks really good. In order to add something, just simply click on add element right up here, and we'll be able to add different stuff with basic heading, full name, email, phone, and so on. Some other elements, pictures, captcha, input table, and so on. Depends on your purposes, you can easily use some of these fields. Also, we can add some payments, as you can see, but we won't be able to use like these features. If we are on the free plan, we can only use like PayPal Pro, so we can drag and drop it right up here. Also, we can interact with widgets, form calculation, a signature, and some other things we are interested in. And when our customization was done, we can now go to settings, and on the settings we can easily change title, form status, manage some email stuff, conditions, thank you page. If for example somebody like filled our form, they'll be able to see this thing here. And then we can easily publish it, and we have our personal link we can share, so we can open it in a new tab. As you can see, we already have our form right up here, so we can fill in the information and do some other things. And if we'll try to discover the paid plans, we can now go to this page, and as you can see, we have a free plan, bronze, silver, gold, and enterprise. Every single plan has its own conditions, its own features, but it's different according to these fields like form limit, monthly submissions, available space, monthly form views, and so on. So I think it's enough to use starter to test JotForm, but if you want to continue, of course, the best value is provided by silver. If we're going to pay monthly, $49 per month, up to 50 forms, and a lot of other things. So this is a way of how to use JotForm as a complete beginner. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.